Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Clairvoyant Oracle, Connect with Your Divine Guidance by BelindaGrace, illustrated by Tarn Ellis. This is published by RockPool, retailing for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this, should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media as well as other fun links. All right, let's get into this. So it says, connect to the higher power of the universe. This oracle will take you by the hand and show you how to develop your strengths, explore forgotten areas of your inner world, and encourage you to trust your own intuition, clairvoyance, and divine guidance. Use these cards for spiritual guidance to tap into and reveal the hidden wisdom beyond our conscious minds, linked to the deep inner knowing that connects us all. This deck of cards is an interpreter, putting practical guidance into words and pictures, a delightful reminder that you are never alone and are always supported. 36 cards and a guidebook. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, there's the back. Oh, look at the cards. They're gloss. Oh, that's pretty. And then we have a matte, like sky blue for the edging. Okay, cool. Let's just take a peek real fast at the guidebook. Ooh, color printed. We do have a nice table of contents, and we do have a page number for each card. Awesome. Like any good guide, they will take you by the hand when you feel confused or lost and help set you on your highest path once again. They will show you how to develop your strengths and encourage you to trust your own intuition much more. This deck of cards is an interpreter, putting practical guidance into words and pictures for you. Okay, so we have a single card spread, 3-card, big picture, and then it goes into each of the cards' meanings. And we'll take a deeper look at the guidebook after the flip through here. So let's take a peek at the cardstock. It's a good like midpoint. So it's not too thin and it's not too thick, but it's just flexible enough so that shuffling will be very easy. And it is gloss, but I really do like that back. Oh my gosh. All right, I am excited. So I will be reading the title because it could be hard to show up on the video with how light it is. So we have Ascended Masters, asking for help, and we do have a number. I just wanted to see if the symbol would change, but it doesn't look like it does. Automatic writing. It's pretty. Beauty. Blessings. Oh, I love that. Could you imagine that tub? Oh my gosh. Chakra balancing. Choice. I really like that there isn't a face on this. Sometimes I love a deck with a face and have it be really realistic, and other times like this, it's very comforting to not have that face, so you can kind of like blend it in your own mind's eye. Emotional release. Finding a mentor. Friendship. Love that. Happiness. Oh. Heart, mind, balance. Integrity. Kuthumi. Kuan Yin. Life journey. Love. So pretty. Meditation. Meeting angels. Messages. Little feather down there. Oneness. Openness. Opportunity. Passion. Past lives. Peace. Personal transformation. Prosperity. Psychic conversations. Rewards. Self-acceptance. Oh, little baby. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. I always have to focus on the animals. The goddess. The threshold. Look at this little baby. Trust. Warrior. That face. And wisdom. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Oh. Let's try that again. It might just be me. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. It was just me having an issue. My hands. Yeah. Shuffles just fine. It's very flexible. It feels good in the hand. And it slips just nicely. All right. Can I get a card to read, please? All right. We're going to read for friendship. Number 10. All right, so it's page 32, and I just flipped to it. All right. Have you ever heard the expression, friends are the champagne of life? Such a wonderful idea and so true. Whether you have one good friend or hundreds, you are indeed a wealthy person. You have drawn this card because your angels and spirit guides are asking you to consider the friends that you have now and have had in the past in order to recognize the blessings that these people have brought into your life. It is also very useful to take some time to think about what your friendships say about you. It is quite likely that the qualities you like and love in friends are a good indication of what they see in you. Attracting good people into your life is no accident. Your friends are there because they like, care for, and respect you. If you have a tendency to feel lonely or down sometimes, then pick up the phone and let a friend know how much they mean to you. Better still, make the time to go and see them in person. Expressing your gratitude for their friendship will give you both a lift. When you think about it further, you may also notice that many of your friendships have lasted throughout the big changes in your life. Many of life's circumstances can change at a moment's notice, but a good friend will be there for you come what may. The other form of friendship that your angels and spirit guides would like you to consider is your friendship with yourself. Are you a good friend to yourself? Do you treat yourself well and give yourself the kind of encouragement and constructive feedback that your good friends do? Make a commitment to yourself right now to let your friends know how much you love and appreciate them, to be an even better friend to yourself. All right. I did see some of these as I was flipping through, so I like that there's actions here to take, practices. Nice. It's not all of them, but here we go. Connecting with an angel or spirit guide. So yeah, some of them have really good actions to take. How to conduct a past life review. Interesting. How to conduct a psychic conversation. Wow, okay. So I'm not mad at this. I think that there's value in here. I think that this is great for like a self-care type of deck. Also to help you connect with your intuition a little bit better. I think it's great for learning a little bit more to dive deeper into that. I think that this is a great journaling deck, a meditative deck. I think there's a multitude of different ways to utilize this. I even like that there was the masculine energy that was put into these as well. Although I think with a deck that's like this, I would like a little bit more balance with the masculine energy. I think that it would be great to have, you know, a little bit more of that in this, since it wasn't like directed towards a specific femininity or masculinity. But I do like it. I think there's value in it. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Have you heard of this deck before? Is it something that you have on your wish list? Is this something that you feel drawn to? What do you think about it? I would love to know down in the comments. And to let me know that you made it this far, drop a rainbow emoji. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. This was kind of a quick one. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.